Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to import SVG file into Sketch in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to open FreeCAD and you need to create here an empty file. Then we need to go to the left upper corner and we need to click on File. Now I go to Import, or I click Ctrl I to do it, and here I need to select file which I want to import. So for example, I would like to import turtle file, so I select it, of course with SVG format, and then I click Open button. We will see here this window. We need to select here SVG as geometry, import SVG option, and now we need to click Open button. How you see, our file has been successfully imported here. So now I recommend you to click on the top to change the view. Now we need to click on Edit and we need to click Select All. Then this object will be selected. So then we need to change the mode from Part Design to Draft. Then we need to click on this option with two arrows. After that we will be able to see here more options, and we need to click on this one option, Draft to Sketch. It will let us to convert between draft objects and sketches. So I click on this one option, and after that effects should be applied. So now we can change mode from draft maybe to part, and I'm going to change the view maybe to this one. Then I click, for example, on Extrude, and I need to select here sketch which I have already created. So I click on this one option, and now on length settings I need to change a long option. I will type here maybe 20 millimeters, and I press Apply. After that our object should be successfully extruded. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use this option and import SVG file into Sketch, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.